Alright, Clubber, welcome back to another Campfire Classic. And in this one, we're looking at the Dobie Gray Classic Drift Away. Alright, 4 chords all the way throughout, which is great. The strumming pattern introduces what we call 16th note strumming pattern, so I'll go through that. But the chords I'm using just easy change chords in this. If you want to use the equivalent open chords with the capo, by all means. If you're further along than that, want to use bar chords, just have to adjust. We're in the key of B here. I'm keeping it in the line of the original recording. I would probably change the key just to suit my voice, so I'd probably make it lower, but we won't worry about that for now. All right, so for chords, we've got a G shape, easy chain, C, D, and then we're going to do an A. All right, and if you're playing this with open chord or bar chords, that A shape will be an A minor chord. All right, but I'm just keeping it really simple here. All right, so we've got G, C, D, and then A. All right, we'll cover where they come in. All right. So for the intro of this, it actually, it does a little picking thing, right? All I want you to do is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so on your chart there, you got the G, 1, 2 beats, for 2 beats, and then the C, Gs are also in that measure, so on 3, 4 respectively. Move to 2 beats of the D chord and then come back to the G and just let it ring out. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Before it does, all right, before it moves into the verse. Alright, so for the verse, into G, 2, 3, 4, C to D. So we've got a split measure there before back to the G. Alright, so we've got C, thanks for the time you've given me, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, so 2, 3, 4, C again, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, before we go into the chorus. All right. So to get through that, you may want to just do like down a strum on every beat, so you can get that progression into your head before we add the strum pattern. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's look at the strum pattern. All right, so for the verses, we're going to do a down, so you're going to have down on beat 1, so verse of start on C, 1, 2, so on, so it's 1, 3, all right, so 1, 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a, all right, that's how you would count it, like 1, 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a 1, 2 E and a 3, 4 E and a. Okay, so beats 1 and 3 will be just a single strum down, and then beats 2 and 4 you'll have that 2 E and a. All right, so all that is so because we've got 4 strums in the space of 1 beat, that's what we call a 16th note strum. All right, we've just divided that beat into 4 equal components. All right, so we got dun, da, 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 might take it a little bit to get that 16th note strumming so it feels nice and smooth, but if you relax with it, all right, the only downside to this, it's not, as I've made this an acoustic version, it's not something you will hear on the actual recording. All right, I've had to adapt it just to give it a good feel and groove without all those other instruments. All right, but this will get that groove going. All right, so let me just put that together with the intro and the verse for you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The chorus section. All right, this chorus, we got G. Oh, give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Oh, give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Okay. All right, so the strumming pattern we're going to put in this is a little bit different just by one strum. All right, so on beat 1, we're going to do 2 downs. Right. Then on beat 2, like we did in the verse, we're going to do that down, up, down, up. So it's beat 1, 2, down, up, down, up, 1. All right, so that's a whole. So 1, 2, 3. There's your whole measure right there. Alright, so there's 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and up. Alright, you can see that on the chart. So it's 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1. So the only difference between the strum pattern from the verse to the chorus is if we just add that one extra strum, on beat 1 and beat 3, where it sort of cuts that in half. So we're combining what we call 8th notes with 16th notes. So it's 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4, right? Nice little one to get. It can be a popular strum, especially for the slower songs. All right, so we've got the chorus. Da, 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 da. Let's join those two sections, the verse and the chorus, together, just to give you an idea of how that strumming pattern will change and just uplifts the song in the chorus part. All right, so we come out of the intro, da 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 da. So. those 2 sections really slow, as slow as you need. Don't be afraid to put like 1, 2. It's just down strums if you need to get that going. All right. So the only other section now is the bridge section. All right. This it starts on the A or A minor if you're doing an open chord. All right. And we're going to revert back to the verse strum here. All right. Thanks for the time you've given me. I can't remember the words right now, that's all right. But like that chorus, bridge section, sorry, my bad. So, one, da, 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 thanks for the time. And goes back into the verse there. All right. The only other part to look out for is in the last choruses, like the last 2 choruses on your chart there. The X's mean that we're going to clap along. Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. We got to do that for that. And then bring the string back in. All right. The only difference is with this chorus compared to the one that we've just played through is we got 1, 2 G's. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Holds the C for another measure. All right, so we got give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in rock and roll and drift away. Give me the beat, boys, and free my soul. I wanna get lost in rock and roll and drift away. All right. Listen to the song and you'll hear that in there. All right, that's all you need to know now. Work that as best as you can. Get it down. Remember, there is no rush. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. So if today it feels like you just sort of get in, and then tomorrow it feels a bit smoother, that's what we want. All right. Until the next one, take care.